Yo guys, what's going on? As you can see, I'm in a trade right now. It's playing out nicely. Um, yeah, so I obviously, as you can tell, I didn't start my video when I took entered, but it is what it is. This looks like it'll go hit TP pretty quick here, hopefully. I'm just hoping it doesn't only take out this high. Hopefully it'll get us out here. There we go. Okay. That trade played out nicely. So, I didn't get the fill I wanted, but it is what it is. That's 400 USD. Not a bad trade. I can't lie. Followed my rules perfectly. It wasn't particularly what I was looking for going into the morning, but it still played out nicely. Um, it was my backup option if my first option didn't work. So basically, guys, going into the day, um, basically I wanted to see us come into this 4 hour gap and then basically catch a short because I wanted to see us tap into this gap, take out this high, form an SMT, and then go lower, which I still think that will happen today. I'm just waiting to get that entry. But in the meantime, I said that we have a 30-minute gap here. If we want to take out liquidity before we go and hit this fair value gap, the higher time frame one, then what I want to see is a tap into here, take out a low, SMT, and then go higher. And we literally got that perfectly. You can see this wick. Um, and so yeah, it worked out perfectly. ES took a this low here on the 5 minute, and NQ didn't. So formed an SMT, and we caught our entry. I was a little late on it. I really wanted to catch this, but I got a little hesitant. It's just something I got to work on. That's all. It would have been, a few more points. But you know what? It is what it is. I think it would have only been like $80 more or maybe $100 more. So not a big deal. And at the end of the day, I can't focus on the money. I have to focus on the trade, and the trade played out nicely. Why was I a little hesitant? Well, one, I just couldn't click the market buy in time when it closed exactly here because it just started rushing. As you can see, there's no bottom wick. It just kept going and going. And so I was kind of on this candle. It was kind of playing around here. And then I was like, thinking, wait, I kind of want to retrace first just so I can get a better entry. And then I'm like, you know what, whatever. I'm just going to enter here. So when I entered, it ended up being it ended up being almost just perfect. Yeah, it was like this or something. It looked like this. It was a 1RR, which is not something I usually do. So I had my target here. I ended up moving it here. And then I ended up moving my stop here for a 1.8RR a bit later in the trade, probably around like here. And yeah, I mean, it played out nicely. Could I have targeted this? Honestly, I probably could have. Maybe I should have. I don't know. But I mean, I'm not gonna complain. I mean, it played out nicely. So, that's that. Followed all my rules. If this was a losing trade, I don't think I'd be upset because well, I mean, I might be upset, but I don't think I would be angry because I didn't break any rules here. So, yeah, and guys, this is the model that I'm sticking with from now on. Like, I'm not trading anything else. This is all I'm trading is the forever model. Um, Now obviously I'm gonna have my own fine tunes to it because it's hard to find specifications for it online. But like the lowest PD array I'll go to is the 30-minute. I won't go lower than that when I want to see the base model, and then after that I'll look for a 5 minute for my entry. But other than that, guys, like this is really what the only model I'm trading from now on. Nothing else. So I'm gonna make a whole video on this. Um, but I'm seeing really good back testing results with it, so this is what I'm sticking with. But yeah, so I'm not particularly done trading yet. I do kind of want to get off the charts fairly early today just because I'm running on 1 hour of sleep right now. I don't know why I had like the worst night ever. I went to bed at like 10:30 and then I lied in bed with my phone for like an hour, 11:30, and then I got off my phone, lied in bed till probably 1:50 a.m. And then I ended up falling asleep for about 40, 50 minutes. I woke back up at like 2:30 and I just have been up since. I literally just can't fall asleep. I don't know why. Like I almost never have that issue, so I don't know, it's really random. But yeah. Anyways, I don't know. I'm just going to pause the recording. If the video ends here, then I have stopped trading. If it doesn't end here, then I have probably taken another trade or something. So, um, anyways, guys, if that is the case and this video ends, I will see you guys later. If not, then I'll catch you when we get another trade set up here.